Today in this video lecture, we are going to solve the Akhan University Examination Board Class 10th May 2014 Physics Paper 1. So quickly, let's come to our question number 1. In question number 1, the diagram shows two persons holding the opposite end of a rope. If one person gives up and down jerk to the rope, then which of the following type of wave is produced? So we have to identify the type of wave that is produced in a rope. So as we can see in a rope, we can observe a crust and trough. ट्रफ और क्रस्ट फॉर्म होते हैं इन rope. So the wave in which crust and trough are formed is known as transverse wave. Transverse wave में crust and trough form होते हैं. So option D is the correct answer. The type of wave produced in a rope is a transverse wave. Next we have question number 2 and 3. In question number 2, if a pendulum makes 22 cycles or vibration and it takes 11 seconds to do so, and we have to find the frequency of that vibrating body. So we know that the formula of frequency is number of vibrations divided by time. So number of vibration is 22 and time taken by that is 11. So 11 1 is 11, 11 twos are 22. So the frequency of that vibrating body is 2 hertz. Let's see the question number 3. The characteristic of the sound which enable us to distinguish between a normal sound and a faint sound. That characteristic is known as loudness. वो characteristic जो है वो loudness कहलाता है, but we don't have loudness in our options. So we know that log of loudness of the sound is directly proportional to log of intensity. So greater the intensity, greater will be the loudness of the sound. So the correct answer for this question number 3 is option C. Let's see question number 4. Which of the following option is correct about the speed of the sound with respect to the medium? So we have to identify the slowest to the fastest. So the slowest speed of sound is in gas, while in solid the speed of sound is fastest. So air is solid, air is gas, while water is liquid, and this steel is solid. So the lowest speed will be in air and the greatest speed will be in steel. So correct option is option B. Let's see question number 5. Light bends towards the normal. Light जो है वो towards the normal bend हो रही है when it enters from rare medium to dense medium. So what happens to these characteristics of the sound? So whenever the wave travel from rare medium into the denser medium, it bends towards the normal. Simultaneously, if its velocity decreases, its wavelength decreases, while frequency remains same. So frequency decrease कह रहे हैं, this is incorrect. Wavelength increase कह रहे हैं, this is incorrect. Speed decreases, this is the correct answer. So we have our correct answer, that is option A. Let's see our question number 6. The occurrence of the total internal reflection is possible. So we have to identify the condition in which the total internal reflection is possible. So we have two conditions such that light should enter from dense medium to rare medium, while angle of incidence should be greater than the angle of critical angle. So angle of incidence should be greater than critical angle while light enters from dense medium to rare medium. So these two are the correct characteristics of light traveling from dense Characteristics of the total internal reflection. So 2 and 3 are the correct. So option D we have our correct answer. Then we have question number 7 and 8. A long sighted person, he can see distinct object clearly but cannot see the near object. दूर के ऑब्जेक्ट्स क्लियर नजर आएंगे बट करीब के ऑब्जेक्ट्स सही नजर नहीं आएंगे. सो what happens to that eye of that person when he sees the near object? So for a long sighted person, near objects are not focused on the retina, rather the image is formed behind the retina. This is the point where the image is focused, that is behind the retina for a long sighted person. Correct answer is option C. Next, we have question number 8. Where should an object be placed to get an erected and virtual image by using a concave mirror? So, concave mirror, we know that it is converging mirror, and for converging mirror to get erected and virtual image, simultaneously this type of image is magnified. So object should be placed between F and P. F is focus and P is pole. So अगर हम ऑब्जेक्ट को फोकस और पोल के दरमियान किसी भी पोजीशन पे प्लेस करेंगे तो हमारी जो इमेज है वो वर्चुअल इरेक्टेड और मैग्नीफाइड फॉर्म होगी. सो बिटवीन एफ एंड पी इज द करेक्ट आंसर. सो ऑप्शन सी इज बिटवीन एफ एंड पी. Then let's see question number 9. The equivalent capacitance in this given circuit. So we know that C1 and C2 are in parallel combination while C3 is in series combination. So C1 and C2 will be solved in series. So the result of C1 and C2 will be C1 plus C2. So its equivalent capacitance will be equal to 3 plus 3, 6 microfarad. This 6 microfarad is connected in series with this 3. So the total capacitance will be equal to 1 over 6 plus 1 over 3. If we simplify, so it will become 1 plus 2 over 6, 3 over 6. So 1 over C is equals to 3 over 6. So total capacitance of these three capacitors will be equal to 2 microfarad. So the correct option we have is in option C. Now let's see question number 10. In question number 10, a hair comb becomes positively charged when it is rubbed with hair. So which of the following is correct answer? So hair have extra positive charge. Neutrons are created in the comb. This is incorrect because neutrons cannot be created. The comb loses electrons to the hair. So comb agar electrons ko lose kar deti hai hair ko, so comb will become positive charge. So this could be our correct answer. Hair gains extra protons. So protons cannot be transferred. So this is the incorrect answer. Hairs have extra positive charge. This is incorrect because positive and negative charges are equal in a neutral body. So the correct answer in question number 10 is option C. Then we have question number 11. Which of the following should be done to increase circuit resistance with the existing resistor? हमें सर्किट की रेजिस्टेंस को इंक्रीज करने के लिए क्या करना पड़ेगा? सो अगर हम सर्किट की रेजिस्टेंस को इंक्रीज करना चाह रहे हैं, सो रेजिस्टेंस इन सीरीज इज इक्वल टू R1 प्लस R2. और अगर हम एक और रजिस्टर ऐड करते हैं सीरीज के अंदर, सो इट विल बिकम प्लस R3. एंड याद रखिएगा कि हमेशा सीरीज के अंदर जब भी हम रेजिस्टेंस ऐड करेंगे तो हमारी जो टोटल रेजिस्टेंस है सर्किट की वो हमेशा इंक्रीज हो जाती है, वाइल पैरेलल कॉम्बिनेशन में टोटल रेजिस्टेंस सर्किट की डिक्रीज हो जाएगी. So the correct answer for this question number 11 is resistor should be connected in series combination to increase the total resistance of the circuit. Let's see question number 12 and 13. Which of the following statement corrects when there is no short circuit? अगर सर्किट के अंदर कोई शॉर्ट सर्किट नहीं है तो कौन सा ऑप्शन दैट डिस्क्राइब्स करेक्ट? Current flows through the earth wire, so this is incorrect because अर्थ वायर से सिर्फ करंट उस वक्त फ्लो होगा जब सर्किट के अंदर कोई शॉर्ट सर्किट मौजूद हो. So the second statement is correct because current does not flows through the earth wire because there is no short circuit. Current is flowing normally through the wire. All the current from the neutral wire flows through the live wire. This is incorrect because in the normal situation, all the current from the live wire flows through the neutral wire. So this is the correct condition. So all second and fourth conditions are true. So we have a correct answer in our option D. Let's see question number 13. Which of the following instruments is not common in AC generators and DC motors? We have carbon brushes in both the devices, we have magnetic poles, and we have armature in both devices. We have slip rings only in AC generator. Slip rings सिर्फ और सिर्फ AC generators में होते हैं, जबकि DC motor के अंदर हमारे पास split ring commutator मौजूद होता है. So option A is the correct answer for question number 13. Then we have question number 14, 15, and 16. Which of the following device is used to change the value of alternating voltage? वो device बतानी है जो कि voltage को increase, change means increase or decrease. वोल्टेज को इंक्रीज और डिक्रीज करने के लिए जो डिवाइस हम यूज करते हैं दैट डिवाइस इज नोन एज अ ट्रांसफार्मर. सो ऑप्शन बी इज द करेक्ट आंसर. Question number 15. On which of the following principles does our transformer works? The working principle of our transformer, we know that it is mutual induction in which the current flowing through a primary coil induces an EMF in a nearby coil. This process is known as mutual induction. So let's see question number 16. If a magnetic field changes around a conductor, then what will happen? This will produces an EMF in that conductor. जब भी किसी conductor के around magnetic field change हो, either it is by moving a conductor through around a magnet or moving a magnet around a conductor. So that will induce an EMF through that conductor. So option A, induces a voltage, is the correct answer. Now let's see question number 17 and 18. Which of the following is used to carry electric charge across the space in a bulb? So the process in which electric charges are moved across the space in the bulb is the thermionic emission. So the correct answer for the question number 17 is option D. Question number 18. Which of the following correctly identify the values of input for a NOR gate? हमारे पास एक NOR gate मौजूद है and we have to find the correct values of inputs, value of A and value of B. So the output is 1 for a NOT gate and we have to tell the values of input. So let's say this if it is OR gate, अगर हमारे पास दोनों इनपुट्स 0 हों तो हमारे पास OR गेट का आंसर 0 आता है. सो अगर हम इसके ऊपर ये नॉट गेट भी साथ साथ लगा देते हैं तो नॉट गेट लगाने से क्या होगा कि अगर हम यहाँ पर ए की वैल्यू भी ज़ीरो और बी की वैल्यू भी ज़ीरो देंगे तो और से हमारे पास आंसर ए प्लस बी विल बी इक्वल टू ज़ीरो, बट जब हम यहाँ नॉट ले लेंगे ए प्लस बी होल बार, so this will become equal to 1. So the correct answer for this question is option D, in which if all the inputs of a NOR gate is zeros, then the output will be 1. Then we have question number 19 and question number 20. Which of the following quantity maintains a constant rate of change in a particular time? ऐसी क्वांटिटी जो कि एक पर्टिकुलर टाइम के अंदर कांस्टेंट रहती है, ऐसी quantities को we say digital quantities. So correct answer for question number 19 is option A. Then we have question number 20. And in question number 20, which of the following electronic devices gives information after analyzing and arranging the data in very short interval of time? So the correct answer for this question 20 is option B, computer. Computers are the electronic devices that gives information, that gives output after analyzing and rearranging the data in very short period of time. Let's see our question number 21. Which of the following represents the given nuclear reaction? So हमारे पास एक nuclear reaction given है. इस nuclear reaction में तीन light nuclei हैं. They form a heavy nucleus with the emission of energy, and this process is known as nuclear fusion, in which light nuclei are fused together to form a heavy nuclei with the emission of large amount of energy. Simultaneously, an alpha particle is also emitted. So the value of the element X or the particle X is the alpha particle in this reaction. In question number 22, carbon dating is an ancient object. Carbon dating is a process of finding the time of death till the present time. कार्बन डेटिंग एक ऐसा प्रोसेस है जिसको यूज करके हम किसी भी फॉसिल की टाइम ऑफ डेथ मालूम कर सकते हैं कि हाउ लॉन्ग फ्रॉम द प्रेजेंट इट इज डाइड. सो the correct option is option D, that how many years before it died. Option D is the correct answer. Now let's see question number 23. Question number 23 and question number 24 are simple questions. Let's see which of the following boxes used to store radioactive material. So we know that radioactive materials are harmful, they are hazardous to the environment as well as the mankind. So every radioactive element always emits some radiations that are very harmful. So whenever we store those radioactive substances, we prefer the lead box, because lead is the element that blocks nearly almost all type of radiation to pass through that box. Option C is the correct answer for this question 23. Let's see question number 24 and 25. In the given figure, different sheets are placed in front of a nuclear radiator. Nuclear radiations, which of the following can be identified as gamma rays? So as we can see, the radiation P can be blocked by paper. So this means these are the alpha radiations, and radiations Q are blocked by steel and cannot pass through that steel and passing through paper. These are beta, while radiation R can pass through paper, can pass through steel, but can blocked by steel. So we have to identify the gamma rays. So gamma rays are the radiation R, because it can penetrate through paper and a particular thickness of steel or aluminum. Next, we have the last question of this year, question number 25, the reaction that occurs on the surface of the sun, due to which it emits a large amount of energy in the form of light and heat. So, this energy, that is light energy and heat energy from the sun, is due to the nuclear fusion reaction of hydrogen, through which we are gaining the energy. So the correct option for this question number 25 is option A.